we are live from the scene in Lawrenceville, Louisiana. Yeah, it's cold. Like really cold. Like there's snow on my face.
So like, how does it feel?
Are you serious? It's cold, bro!
Oh dang, dude. What is it like being able to experience this kind of weather for the first time in almost 8 years?
It's cold. I'm cold. It's probably like 0 degrees. I don't know how all that stuff works. My face is like really cold right now.
What about the rest of your body?
Nah, I'm chilling. Hold on, let's turn the interview, bro. I'm getting the worst of it.
Oh!
Yeah, how you like that?
Oh, it's in my face. Oh, I didn't realize how bad it was.
Yeah, this is quite nice now. You know, beautiful scenery of Louisiana. I don't have a lot of things to say. I made a microphone. I'm gonna make snow angel.
Oh.
And that concludes the interview. Have a good snow day.